Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to manage app permissions on the ZTE Blade A36. So first, open Settings, just scroll down from the top right corner and press this little button to open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the App section and here click on See All. Here are all the apps that you have installed. Click on the app you want to manage. For example, let's click on Calendar. And here we can click on Permissions. Here you can manage the app's permissions. If you don't want for an app to have some permission, you can click on Notifications. For example, Notifications is a notification permission. Let's disable it by pressing here. Now this app won't have permissions to send notifications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.